Hello guys, so today we're going to talk about how to name an alkane. There are 3 steps how to name an alkane. Firstly, you need to find parent, or which we can say the longest chain in an alkane. Secondly, you need to find substituent in an alkane. Thirdly, we need to number the substituent. Okay, so we already know the steps. Now let's go to the first example. So the first example is, the given here is skeletal structure. So the first step, we need to find the parent. The parent which made the longest chain. So let's see, the longest chain is here, which it has 6 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 carbon, which equals to hexane. So we already know that the parent for this alkane is hexane. Next, we need to find the substituent. So here we identify there are 2 substituents, which is methyl. So the substituent should be methyl. But it has 2 here, so it should be dimethyl. And the last step is, we need to number the alkane, the substituent in the alkane. So let's see, we need to take the lowest number of the substituent. So let's see, if we come from here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's no difference, which we got here 3, 4, and this also 3, 4. So it become 3, 4 dimethyl. The last answer should be 3, 4 dimethyl hexane. Okay. So we've moved to next example. The second example is condensed structure. So we look at the first step of how to name an alkane, which is we need to find the parent. So the parent is the longest chain. So we got here is the longest chain. So it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon also equals to hexane. Okay. Okay. Next step, we need to identify the substituent. So the substituent here and also here. So there's a methyl here, methyl. And this one we got ethyl. The last step is we need to number the substituent. So we start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's no difference. There's 3, 4 from the right and 3, 4 from the left. The difference is there's 2 different substituents in the alkane. So we need to number the lowest to the earliest alphabet, which is ethyl, E. Letter E come first before M, so we give the lowest number to ethyl. So we got here 3 ethyl and 4 methyl. The answer should be 3 ethyl, 4 methyl hexane. Okay, so the last answer should be like that. So we go to the last example. The last example is the skeletal structure. So the first step is we need to find the longest chain. So the longest chain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the longest chain. 8 carbon equals to octane. Next, identify the substituent. So we got substituent here, here, and here. So we got 2 methyl, which is dimethyl, and we got 1 ethyl here. The last step is we need to number the substituent. So starting from the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got here 4, 5, 6. And from the right, we got 3, 4, 5. So we take the lowest here is 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Okay, so for the dimethyl is 3, 5. 3, 5 dimethyl. And for ethyl, it is 4 ethyl. Lastly, we need to combine the informations that we got from what we did previously. So, note that we didn't take di as alphabetically. We take methyl. So it should be, we started from E first, okay? 4 ethyl, 3, 5 dimethyl, octane. Okay, so why did I say we didn't take di as the alphabetically? Because it is prefix, and the only prefix we consider in alphabetically is only iso. Only iso. Other than that, we cannot take it. We cannot consider it in our naming. Only iso, which means maybe isobutyl, isopropyl, and so on. If you got any questions regarding to my video or any previous video that I already uploaded, so you can go to my Instagram and DM me, and I will help you. That's all from me. Thank you.